In today's video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how you can calculate the percentage of any number using the calculator on your mobile phone. A lot of people find percentages confusing, but with this simple method, you will be able to calculate any percentage in just a few seconds. Let's get started. Example 1. Find 35% of 33,000. Step 1. Open the calculator app on your mobile phone. Every phone has a calculator, so just open it from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Type the number 33,000 into the calculator. Step 3. Tap the multiply. Step 4. Type 35 because we want to calculate 35%. Step 5. Now tap the percentage button. This button automatically converts the number into a percentage. Step 6. Finally, press the equals button. Your result will appear on the screen. The answer is 11,550. So, 35% of 33,000 equals 11,550. Example 2. Find 12% of 75,000. Let's try another example so you understand it even better. Step 1. Type 75,000. Step 2. Press multiply button. Step 3. Type 12. Step 4. Press percent. Step 5. Press equals. Result, 9,000. So, 12% of 75,000 equals 9,000. Example 3. Find 19% of 8,500. One last example. Step 1. Type 8,500. Step 2. Tap multiply button. Step 3. Type 19. Step 4. Tap percent. Step 5. Tap equals. Your final answer will be 1615. So, 19% of 8,500 equals 1615. And that's it. This is the simplest and most accurate method to calculate percentages using your mobile calculator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.